I've taken one capsicum, a carrot and a few beans, and I've cut them like this. You can take any Hakka noodles of your choice. I've taken Ching's veg Hakka noodles here, and then cook according to the instruction given behind. Moving on to the next, add the noodles into the utensil, pour in the warm water and let it soak. Add salt to taste. Drop in 3 tablespoons of oil. Close the lid and let it sit for around 10 minutes. Now in a strainer under the running water, pour on your noodles and spread them evenly. Next, add in the oil so that the noodles don't stick to each other. Mix well again. Now in a utensil, add oil. You can add 4 tablespoons of oil and then drop in the vegetables. Salt to taste. Mix everything well together. Once you feel your vegetables are crunchy enough, add the prawns. I've marinated the prawns for at least 30 minutes with salt. Once you fill everything in mixed well, add 250 grams of paneer and again mix everything well together. Once you feel everything is combined well, drop in the noodles, mix well again. I've taken 1 Maggi cube. You can adjust the taste according to your choice. Spread it evenly and make sure that it is combined well with all the noodles, prawns, vegetables, everything. If you feel they are dry, feel free to add some oil. Your noodles are done. Serve hot. If you like my video, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. See you next. Bye.